Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best investment strategies. First, define your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement or a down payment on a home. Next, assess your comfort level with risk. This crucial step guides your asset allocation decisions. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio spread across different asset types is key to mitigating risk and achieving steady growth over the long term. This foundational understanding sets you up for success. Let's explore some popular investment avenues. Stocks, representing ownership in companies, offer significant growth potential but carry higher volatility. Bonds, essentially loans to governments or corporations, typically provide more stable fixed income with lower risk. Real estate can generate both rental income and capital appreciation. For broad market exposure and diversification, consider exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which often have low expense ratios. Implementing smart strategies is vital. Dollar-cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount regularly, smoothing out market fluctuations and reducing risk. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure your asset allocation aligns with your goals, perhaps once or twice a year. Focus on long-term growth rather than trying to time the market. Also, utilize tax-advantaged accounts such as individual retirement accounts or 401k plans to maximize your returns. Finally, keep these key considerations in mind. Inflation, which might be around 3% annually, erodes purchasing power, so seek investments that outpace it. Understand an asset's liquidity. How quickly can you convert it to cash if needed? Be mindful of investment fees, as even 1% can significantly impact long-term returns. Regularly review and adjust your investment plan to align with life changes and market conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.